Welcome back, Spartans. Today we're playing King of the Hill. It's close quarters and it's fast paced, so I hope you enjoy.
Got you covered, got you covered. Hit! Hit! Oh, man. Hit. Like a deer in headlights. Oh, hit! Very nice.
Early on you'll notice that I've not gone for the objective. Whilst my team does that, my idea is to flank round the right side to try and cut the enemy off from their spawn.
That side, buddy. I'm getting pinned, buddy.
I wasn't sure that scooching back and popping up elsewhere was going to work, but in this case it did. Now we're heading deep into enemy territory. I have to be careful not to get caught, and also that I don't spawn camp the enemy as well, leaving them plenty of time and steps to get out of their spawn.
Oh, hit. Good job.
And that there is an example of why you should always check your corners.
Right. Check right, check right. Oh, dude, come on, man. Hit! Man down! Man down! Man down.
Hit me in the corner of the eye.
You okay, dude? Sorry about that, man. Just pop yourself to the floor really quickly. Guns on the floor, guys. Let's have a look. Gun down, bro.
It's a bit still in it. Right, yeah. You can see it?
Yeah, carry on. Finish and I'll take him in.
Yeah, that's fine.
Right.
Should hold my arm open.
Yeah, just hold it open. I'll give you that. Right, fine, mate. You okay, dude?
Yeah, I'm all fine, yeah.
Has he got a BB in his arm? This is one.
So to quickly summarise what happened, obviously this gent got shot in the face, and what had happened was it wasn't actually the BB shattering and going in his eye, which we were at first really concerned about, or it penetrating the mesh goggles, but it was the actual paint fragments from the goggles that had gone into the eye. The site handled it really, really well, took decisive action, washed it out. He was back in the game within 5 minutes, and they also re-chronoed all the guns to make sure none of us were overpowered or causing any issues to each other. If you're worried about your goggles or your mask, or whether it's at the right safety measurements, I've got a video that I put out about goggles that I'll link in this video as well, so that you can go and check that out and make sure that your goggles are meeting the safety standards that they need to.
Did you get hit, Bonnie? No. Let's take it, let's take it. Bonnie! Why'd you run off?
Oh, you've got hurt.
Hey. I was aiming for your belt, sorry.
That's the end of the first half. Nobody actually managed to get the box, it was neutral. So now we're going to swap sides and try it again.
Objective, just go for the objective, down middle or down the right.
But no, it's 4 and 0, so.
I had a feeling they might leave that side undefended, so I kept trying throughout the rest of the game to push down that side.
Clear the panel, clear! All the way up to the building.
Oh, nice one. Thanks for shooting me in the carrier, not my arms.
I was aiming for it, mate.
We are deep in enemy territory again, so I have to really watch my footing here. Any wrong move could get me shot.
Keep it locked down here, my boy. Keep it locked down, buddy. Stay there, you're good. Hold there.
Best part about knife kills is they count as 10 kills.
Whack those 10 on, my boy. Close, very close. Hit! Sorry, man.
Currently we still hold the objective, but time is getting short, and they are definitely trying harder and harder.
Did you hit me?
I hope so.
I didn't feel anything, I didn't hear anything.
Oh,
But I
come on, it was point blank.
That was the sound of the enemy turning the box over to their side.
10 seconds! 10 seconds! Somebody run to me! Quick, pressure! Oh, here!
Did they do it?
As you can see, guys, our team was just able to do it in those last 10 seconds. That was extremely intense, but I'm so chuffed. If you like my patches, check out Stitch Customs. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.